I'm officially closing down this business, so I'm changing my business space. It will strictly be for what? Only sweet pasta. So let's do this together. This is my t-shirt brand, so I'm closing it down. Guys, I don't know how insects entered my skill. Like, I don't understand. I've tried different ways of removing it. I don't know what else to do. The first thing I'll be doing is to bring down this rack, since we are not using it again. Let's go.